Greetings, everyone. In this video, we're going to do a quick look at how to access the Google AI tools that are now available for all Maricopa faculty and staff. As these tools include Gemini, NotebookLM, and Workspace Studio. And so to start off, just go to any of the Google's websites. For example, in this instance, google.com. You could do this from Gmail, Drive, or any other site. What you want to do if you're not logged in is click on the sign in button. And in the account, make sure you are using your work account, which is your MEID at whatever college or the district office that you are at. You should not be using a personal Gmail account because that is not protected by the data protections and the security protections that are afforded to educational accounts. And do not use the at maricopa.edu account because that does not have this enabled yet. Um, okay, so once you sign in, you'll be able to access any, at least Gemini and NotebookLM through the uh, apps menu, which is this 9 square dots image next to your avatar icon. And so you may not see it right away. So in this case, I do see Gemini at the top, but I have to scroll down towards the bottom to see NotebookLM. And so your menu may differ based upon your account settings. But in order to access Gemini, you could just click on that and you'll be taken to gemini.google.com. And that could be a other way for you to access this Gemini is to just go to the website gemini.google.com. So to do the same thing with Notebook LM, just click on the apps menu and then scroll down to click on Notebook LM. And then you'll be taken to the Notebook landing page. To access the Workspace Studio, you'll actually have to access it from either Gmail, the chat area app, or Drive. And so I'll just, for example, open up Drive really quick. And then you can see once it's loaded, you'll see this little icon at the top that looks like two people with heads next to it. Not sure exactly what it looks like, but it's the studio icon. So if you click that, it'll open up a pane. And this will be the workflows that you've either created or under the Discover tab, you'll see workflows that Google has created for you to adopt or practice or modify. Um, so that's how to access Studio. So that wraps it up for this video. What we'll do is in later videos, we'll dive deeper into each of those platforms to kind of look at some of the features for you to kind of explore and take a look at. Thank you. See you in the next one.